Welcome to JH. It's 2025, and we're still debating which brand of liquid dinosaur juice is best for your engine, Shell or Chevron. Shell is currently flaunting its V-Power with Doflex technology, designed to reduce friction and improve efficiency. Because clearly, your commute through school zones needs the same friction reduction as a high-performance race car, just to keep things smooth. Meanwhile, Chevron is leaning hard into its Techron formula, which focuses on scrubbing away carbon deposits and maintaining long-term engine health. It's essentially a detox for your car, perfect for those who believe their engine has feelings and needs a deep cleansing facial to stay young. Shell wins on global reach and a buttery smooth performance, though your wallet will definitely feel the weight of that premium price tag. Chevron is the undisputed king of high-mileage reliability and cleaning power, provided you can actually find a station in their somewhat limited global footprint. Ultimately, choose Shell if you want efficiency and a ride so smooth you'll forget you're overpaying, or go with Chevron if you're obsessed with long-term maintenance. That's our Shell versus Chevron comparison. So, which one are you currently feeding your car?